Hello, today I'm in Mini Cooper 1. In this video I'll show you how to enter reverse gear. In the beginning, let's take a look at the gearbox. And as you can see, in order to enter reverse you have to push it left and upwards. But if you do it normally, you will enter the first gear. So let's press the clutch, make sure it's neutral, and now push the lever with a little bit more force to the left. And now it's reverse. Because if you do it normally, you'll have the first gear, but as you can see, with a little bit more force, you'll go further to the left, and now you'll be able to enter reverse gear. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.